Buongiorno, welcome back to another day. It's a bit colder today, it's about 5 degrees, so hope you guys are warm out there. Got a cup of coffee or a beer or something, enjoy it. We're back here doing what we can to progress the whole effort to try and get it done before the summer. Here we have a challenge. We need to try and follow the curve of the wall, and it's quite pronounced. So what I've done is measured the luckily we have this piece here which belongs to the folding door, and that's came in quite handy actually. So I'm just taking a piece of paneling which happened to fit in here. Now I've measured the curve of the wall roughly as it comes around. Now we cross our fingers, we cut it and see how far we get. If we have to adjust it a bit, then we'll have to cut a bit more, a bit less, and see as we go. So that's not too bad, good stuff. Well, now we've got our little mold, as it were, which kind of follows the outer skin of the van that we've made. Just adjusted a bit, measured a bit, made a little mark, cut a bit more. So now this is the outside of the... So now we need the thickness of that so that it slots in a little bit better right up against the side of the van. Take a little mold, and here's one I prepared earlier. Put it on the same side of the other one. Take the thickness of the wood and mark it off with a pencil as you go along. Quick demo.
Cool.
And we'll cut it and see if it fits. That's the main thing. Spot the difference. I'm sure you can see that. This one is the one I've cut that fits the outside. Transferred it onto the other one, which now fits in there nicely.
You're going to do a double thing then?
And then let me just run a little marker down here. Basically that's just to check that it's pretty good actually. It's quite even along the other way, so I'm pretty happy with that. We can actually use that as a part of the side wall if we wanted to. So we'll just carry on putting vertical panels here.
Perfect.
And see how far we get.
And then the ceiling?
What ceiling?
For the shower, or we have it open?
There is no ceiling.
Okay, cool.
It'll just be like it.
Well, we could. No, okay.
Let's do it right.
cool. Alright, I would have done it the other way around. That's why you're doing this and not me.
Well, here is the panel we made up earlier. Well, Vic actually made up earlier. Just painted that. Looks just like galvanized steel, right? This is plastic. Perspex. It's about that thick. And it's been sprayed and coated or whatever it is. And might have a video for you about that later. But now I'm just going to outline the same outline as the wooden outer panel. Cut that out, and that should fit. Hopefully, should fit. We don't know yet. And that'll be like attached together, and that'll be the inside panel of the shower, and the wood panel will be the outside of the bus. So hopefully that'll be nice and waterproof, so we don't have any leaks and everything. It's easy to clean and that kind of thing. So that was the idea behind that. So I'm going to mark it out, bring the jigsaw out, and see how it goes. Yep.
It's got the plastic protective coating on it here. Cool.
Not too bad.
That's not too bad. Well done, dude. So cool.
Yeah, that'll do.
Well done. I'm super impressed.
Cool. That's done.
The wood panels will keep it nice and sturdy.
Done.
I'm going to paint the inside blue so it gives it a bit more of an effect. So,
Yeah.
Yippee. Thanks, man. It looks really funky from here. It's all see-through.
Right?
From this side, it's all see-through. It's really cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Yippee.
Cool. One down, one to go.
Whew, well done. Oh, I'm so excited. It's unbelievable. The dude has done an amazing job of cutting out the inside of the shower and the toilet doors, cutting out the outside of the shower and toilet doors. He's got the so the blue colour will go on the other side of this paint thing. And this is going to be our shower wall and our shower floor. And we're doing the same thing on the ceiling. So it's like, oh, I hope it's going to work together. So exciting. This is a really, really fun part. What do you think, dude?
Well, in a complete sideways move, we've come up with this idea. Who knows if it'll work? Yeah, but why not? Just try it. I mean, we can, right? This is going to be the shower area, which is quite generous. Quite happy with that. Making progress now, getting all the nitty gritty done, and next time we'll try the ceiling.
Yes.
But for now, we've got shower walls, got a shower panel on the side, and a cut on my hand.
Ow.
So, yeah, well, proves it's been working.
See you next time. Bye.